In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Facebook password on your Android phone. Process is very straightforward and simple, so all you need to do is tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right once you've logged into Facebook. That'll take you to this page, and then you want to scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy at the bottom. From here, we want to tap on settings at the top. And from this page, we want to tap on security and login. You can see there it says change your password. So I'm going to tap on that. And there it says login near the middle of the screen, and it says change password. Tap on that. Now what you need to do is fill in your current password and then put in your new password twice. If you don't know your current password, you can tap on forgot password there at the bottom. Go through the process of recovering your password with your email or your phone, and then you can come back here and put in your current password again, or you can just change it to the new password that you want in the recovery phase. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.